The financial markets experienced a really interesting couple of days. The release of the highly positive CPI statistics has led to substantial gains in both the stock market and cryptocurrency. But we didn't want to discuss the state of the cryptocurrency market, especially today. There have been significant announcements from Polygon, Cardano, Ethereum, as well as institutions investing more heavily in cryptocurrencies, some of which you wouldn't anticipate. So in today's video, we'll cover everything. And I'd love it if you liked the information. Join the channel if you like the video. In any case, follow me on Twitter. To begin with, the entire cryptocurrency market is now showing signs of being quite optimistic. With a market valuation of $1.17 trillion and Bitcoin trading for over $24,000 per coin, the whole market has increased by over 2% in the past day. Two important aspects of the market as a whole are that Bitcoin has continued to trade above $24,000. Ethereum has also surpassed $1,900 for each coin for the first time in the past 2 months. Thus, during the last day, both Ethereum and Bitcoin reached a 2-month high. This is an extremely positive indication. But the subject of institutions is what I want to cover next. Currently, we can observe that BlackRock has formally introduced a private trust that provides direct exposure to its clients' Bitcoin holdings. And this is significant because it is the first time BlackRock has ever provided a product with direct exposure to the price of Bitcoin. This is consistent with previous activities. They just joined forces with Coinbase. They now have a Bitcoin product that will provide their customers immediate access to Bitcoin. This could therefore be very significant for cryptocurrency because, as we discussed in yesterday's video, which I'll link below, if BlackRock's total platform were to consist of $40 trillion in assets and partnerships, and only 2.5% of those assets were allocated to Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market, that would instantly double the size of the entire crypto market. And it won't take place immediately. However, what I'm trying to say is that while institutions have long discussed committing 2 to 3% of their balance sheets to Bitcoin, this is now appearing a lot more feasible given BlackRock's massive collaboration and the company's own Bitcoin products. And I believe that very soon, we're going to see a significant influx of cash from all of these institutions, which will assist raise market values. The next topic I want to cover is Polygon, which now contains more than 37,000 dApps. And it's a big thing, big deal. We have witnessed a 400% increase since the year's beginning in January 2022. And it's a pretty intriguing thing, too. Because even though Ethereum is starting to transition from proof of work to proof of stake, we're seeing a lot of developments there. We're still seeing developers choose the Polygon blockchain to build on. Not only are we seeing it, if people are looking at Ethereum versus Polygon, but I've also seen a number of projects decide to migrate from Solana over to Polygon in the last couple days. Thus, this is a highly exciting development. We can see that the number of monthly active teams, which is a gauge of developer engagement on the blockchain, has reached 11,800 in only the last few weeks. Are witnessing a growth in developers creating dApps for the platform. All of the data for Polygon are exceedingly bullish, as can be seen. And for this reason, it has long been one of my favorite projects. I've been involved in this for well over 2 years, as you people who follow the channel are aware. Now, the last topic I want to cover is what is happening with Tencent before we go on to some significant news with one institution that you may find a little surprise. Tencent has just begun operations. A batch of NFTs will be posted every 2 hours for 3 days straight as part of their TGLP Tau, Tencent Gem Launchpad presale of Satoshi Island NFTs. This is a significant event. So be sure to keep an eye on this $1,900 initial buy. And this is a product that has been covered extensively on the channel. As of right now, 250 NFT have been sold for a total sales value of about $475,000. As a result, if you're interested in NFTs, the future of cryptocurrency, or anything else we discussed with Satoshi Island, whose website I'll also link to below, be sure to check this out as these NFTs will soon become online. They are fast running out of stock. If you saw our movie about Satoshi Island, I believe it's worth seeing to learn more about the advantages of this and decide whether you want to participate. The next two topics I want to discuss will start with Cardano. Cardano just reached a significant milestone as its volume surged to 75,000 transactions. Blockchain only recently. By no means is this a record high. But during the past few weeks, there has been an increase. Due in part to the improving state of the market as a whole, but also as a result of the impending Basel hard fork. Therefore, I anticipate that the overall number of transactions on the Cardano blockchain will rise much more sharply than it has in the past few weeks with the impending Basel hard fork. We can already see that additional dApps will debut as time goes on. Over 1,000 projects are now being developed on Cardano. It's encouraging to see that as blockchain and developers continue to improve, the network can support an increasing number of transactions. There have never been any Cardano blockchain outages. It will be fascinating to see how this all pans out as we continue to expand in the future, but I don't anticipate any outages or problems with Cardano because even at the height of the bull market, we were witnessing record volumes of transactions. Cronos was never in trouble. Other systems, like Solana, already put efficiency above security, but Cardano has always taken pleasure in being a little bit slower to grow, making sure that everything is always safe, and making sure that there are no problems with money on the platform while processing transactions. Let's now discuss what has been happening with one of the institutions shown in the films. One of the institutions recently increased their bet on the metaverse and recently announced that they are essentially doubling down on the metaverse by releasing new developer tools. A new collection of developer tools with an emphasis on metaverse landscapes was just announced, and it includes new AI capabilities, simulations, and other artistic resources. In the end, this will assist developers and producers in adding more realistic and lifelike elements to the metaverse, regardless of whether Facebook's metaverse or another metaverse is used. Because they aren't attempting to create their own metaverse, VIDIA can gain from everything that is happening. They are only contributing to the development of tools by using their kits, such as the Omniverse kit, to assist the metaverse continue to advance. So it's wonderful to see the video expand on the metaverse and introduce a few more features that will make it even better. Ultimately, it is what the market as a whole is experiencing at the moment. Many great developments with both Cardano and Ethereum. So Ilana, even Polygon, please follow me on Twitter to make sure they are kept informed of what is happening. But I sincerely hope you all liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!